What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going big with 10 incredible dessert recipes that all start with one thing: instant pudding mix. That's right, we're about to unlock the secret potential of this pantry staple and turn it into show-stopping treats. Whether you're craving a classic pie, a layered parfait, or even some next-level brownies, we've got you covered. And the best part? These recipes are so easy. Anyone can make them. We're talking foolproof, family-friendly, and totally delicious. So grab your mixing bowls and get ready to be amazed because things are about to get delicious. And hey, while you're at it, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome recipes just like these. First up, we're starting with a bang chocolate pudding pie. For the crust, you'll need 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Just mix those together and press them into a pie plate. Bake that for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool completely. Now for the star of the show, the chocolate pudding filling. Grab 2 cups of cold milk and whisk in 2 boxes of instant chocolate pudding mix for about 2 minutes. Once it starts to thicken, gently fold in 1 cup of whipped cream for that extra creamy texture. Pour it into your cooled crust, cover it, and let it chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Boom! Chocolatey perfection. Get ready for a flavor explosion with this vanilla pudding parfait. We're talking layers of creamy vanilla pudding, crunchy granola, and your favorite fresh berries. First, prepare your vanilla pudding mix according to package instructions using 2 cups of cold milk. Now for the fun part, layering. Grab your favorite parfait glasses and start with a layer of granola, followed by a layer of vanilla pudding. Then, add a layer of your favorite berries. I'm using strawberries and blueberries today, but feel free to get creative. Repeat these layers until your glasses are full, ending with a beautiful berry topping. These parfaits are perfect for breakfast, dessert, or any time you need a sweet treat. Get ready for a taste of the South with this incredible banana pudding trifle. It's got all the flavors you love: creamy vanilla pudding, ripe bananas, and crunchy vanilla wafers, layered together in a beautiful and delicious dessert. First, prepare your vanilla pudding mix according to package instructions, using 2 cups of cold milk. Then, slice up 3 to 4 ripe bananas. Now, grab your trifle dish and start layering. Begin with a layer of vanilla wafers, followed by a layer of sliced bananas, and a generous layer of vanilla pudding. Repeat these layers until your trifle dish is full, ending with a final layer of vanilla wafers and a sprinkle of crushed wafers for that extra crunch. Chapter 4: Pistachio Pudding Cake, the unexpected showstopper. Prepare to have your mind blown by this pistachio pudding cake. It's moist, flavorful, and oh so easy to make. All right, first things first. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. In a large bowl, combine 1 box of pistachio pudding mix, 1 box of yellow cake mix, 4 eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of milk. Beat everything together with an electric mixer until the batter is smooth and all the ingredients are well combined. Next, pour the batter into your prepared pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely before frosting and enjoy the delicious pistachio flavor. Chapter 5: Lemon Pudding Bars, Zesty and Refreshing. These lemon pudding bars are the perfect combination of tart and sweet, with a buttery shortbread crust and a creamy lemon filling. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line an 8 by 8-inch baking pan with parchment paper. For the crust, combine 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 cup of cold butter, cut into cubes in a food processor. Pulse until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, then press it into the bottom of your prepared pan. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until lightly golden brown. While the crust bakes, prepare the lemon filling by whisking together 1 box of instant lemon pudding mix, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and half a cup of lemon juice until smooth. Pour the lemon filling over the hot crust and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes or until the filling is set. Let the bars cool completely before dusting with powdered sugar and slicing. Chapter 6: Butterscotch pudding cookies, soft, chewy, and irresistible. Get ready for a cookie experience like no other with these butterscotch pudding cookies. They're soft, chewy, and bursting with butterscotch flavor. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line baking sheets with parchment paper. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 box of instant butterscotch pudding mix, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Drop by rounded tablespoons onto the prepared baking sheets and bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until lightly golden brown. Chapter 7. Coconut Pudding Cups. A tropical treat. Escape to a tropical paradise with these creamy and refreshing coconut pudding cups. They're the perfect individual dessert for a crowd, and they're so easy to make. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of cold milk and 1 box of instant coconut cream pudding mix for about 2 minutes or until thickened. Divide the pudding evenly among 4 individual serving cups or glasses. Top each pudding cup with a dollop of whipped cream, toasted coconut flakes, and a maraschino cherry for that extra touch of sweetness. Chill for at least 30 minutes before serving and enjoy the taste of the tropics. Chapter 8. Strawberry Pudding Tart. Berrylicious bliss. Get ready for a taste of summer with this vibrant and delicious strawberry pudding tart. It's the perfect dessert for any occasion, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly greasing a 9-inch tart pan with a removable bottom. For the crust, combine 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter in a medium bowl. Press the crumb mixture into the bottom and up the sides of the prepared tart pan. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until lightly golden brown. Let the crust cool completely while you prepare the filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of cold milk and 1 box of instant strawberry pudding mix for about 2 minutes or until thickened. Fold in 1 cup of whipped topping until combined. Arrange sliced fresh strawberries over the cooled crust, then pour the pudding mixture over the strawberries. Chill for at least 2 hours before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. Chapter 9. Caramel Pudding Brownies, the ultimate indulgence. Calling all chocolate and caramel lovers. These caramel pudding brownies are the ultimate indulgence, combining fudgy brownies with a layer of creamy caramel pudding. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with aluminum foil, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Prepare your favorite brownie mix according to package instructions. Pour the brownie batter into the prepared pan and spread evenly. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups of cold milk and 1 box of instant caramel pudding mix for about 2 minutes or until thickened. Pour the caramel pudding mixture over the brownie batter, swirling gently to create a marbled effect. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with just a few moist crumbs attached. Let the brownies cool completely before cutting into squares and serving. Chapter 10. Mocha Pudding. Mousse light, airy, and chocolatey. Indulge in the rich and decadent flavors of this mocha pudding mousse. It's light, airy, and incredibly easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of cold milk and 1 box of instant chocolate pudding mix for about 2 minutes or until thickened. Gently fold in 1 cup of whipped topping until combined. Add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules or espresso powder and mix until dissolved. Divide the mousse evenly among serving dishes and chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. Garnish with chocolate shavings, whipped cream, or a sprinkle of cocoa powder for an extra touch of elegance. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible dessert recipes that all start with the magic of instant pudding mix. Who knew this humble ingredient could be so versatile and delicious? If you're looking for a fun and easy way to impress your friends and family with your baking skills, these recipes are definitely the way to go. They're perfect for potlucks, parties, or just a sweet treat any day of the week. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipe ideas. Until next time, happy baking!